And it's Angola who get us underway then in Kumasi this afternoon. The start of the road to the next Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco is underway. Ghana and Angola, the two favourites in Group F. Corner kick's been taken quickly. Kudus might just fall for the shot here. And for the ball to come in. Jordan Ayew trying to play to Kudus on the edge of the box, and Semenyo still going, driving forward. Jordan Ayew behind Antoine Semenyo. Met here in this stadium. It was only in March of last year. The shot comes in from Antoine Semenyo. He nearly caught out Neblu. The Angolan goalkeeper got across too well. Semenyo cunning in field. Ended up getting it back from Kudus. It wasn't the tidiest of 1-2s. He struck it well, Semenyo. He's proven himself already to be a very capable. Now then, Luvumbu for Angola. Oh, and it might just fall for the goal in the 93rd minute for Felicio Milson. Angola stunning the home side here in Kumasi. It's a smash and grab act from the away team. And they're going to get their AFCON qualifying campaign off to a winning start in sensational circumstances. You have to say credit to the visitors here because they've maintained a threat on the break throughout this second half. The fresh legs have made an impact, and Luvumbu's ball in should have been dealt with, but it was an awkward one. And Abdul Mumin, rather than getting it clear, simply laid it on a plate. Another of Angola's substitutes was perfectly placed to pounce, and Felicio Milson collected by the goalkeeper, and there is the final whistle. And the reaction of the crowd here in Kumasi says it all. The reaction of the Angolan players too. Angola have won this game by 1-0 thanks to a 93rd minute effort from Felicio Milson, laid to him on a plate by a defensive mistake, a howler from Abdul Mumin. It's a smash and grab act, but all credit to the Angolans. They defended superbly throughout this game.